Hi, today I'm talking about um, a program called Arbitrage High Roller Reloaded. I like the word reloaded because it makes it seem as though they've reinvented arbitrage trading. Now, I've done a lot of arbitrage trading in the past, but all the arbitrage trading I've done has been with the bookmakers, horses, football, sport in general. But this type of arbitrage, high roller, relocated to trading, is a bit different. It's been brought about by three guys. One called Stefan Ciancio, don't know where that comes from. Another Nishkarash Sharma, that's Indian. And another guy called Tom, who knows what. Anyway, they claim that they are making 120-ish dollars per day, every day, and they have done for the past year. And they do it with arbitrage trading. Now, the definition of the meaning of the word, of course, is to buy something and pass it on for a bigger profit. Or the arbitrage I used to do, the arbitrage I did was where you couldn't lose your money. They would set up a system whereby you would bet a horse to win and you would bet it to lose as well. And in a clever sort of a way, you would make a profit out of that. Anyway, the thing is, you might think, well, what am I buying? I mean, I'm not buying very much. I'm paying my money out, and all I'm getting is they're going to tell me how to buy something or how to sell something, and for a higher price than I can buy it for, which of course is fundamentally the way every bit of trading works. But they've got it all set up that they're not passing on sort of tangible items. They're just passing on sort of stuff that's done on the internet. It's all words. And like, for example, let me give you an example. I could sell you the idea of creating for you a nice website, and I could tell you how many pages it will have, and I could tell you that it's going to cost you $500. And I could have a guy sitting in India somewhere waiting, pen poised, to prepare this website for me for $100. And I could put $400 in my pocket then. That's fundamentally what it's all about. But you're only paying $9. And your $9 gets you all the information as to how they go about it, their tested method, their reloaded scheme. High roller, to me, signifies that they're doing bigger sort of jobs than the average guy has done in the past with arbitrage trading. I think it's worth it. I know it works. I mean, there's no doubt in my mind whatsoever that it works. I've done this as well, by the way. I used Craigslist, which is a free advertising facility on the internet throughout the whole world. I don't know if you know about it or not, but it's quite famous. You can advertise in Craigslist for no charge, and find your customers and then place the job elsewhere and put the profit in your pocket. And of course, as soon as you find the customer, you take the money in, don't you? Because you say, look, I'll do this job for you, it's going to cost you $300. Either you give me, well, you can always ask them for a percentage up front, $200 or $100, and you know the guy's going to come back and pay the balance, because otherwise he gets nothing, so get into a profit. Well, that's basically it. Craigslist. They're doing it all the time. Have been for the last 12 months, they say. And they make good money at it too. So I would say have a bash at it. What have you got to lose? $9? Okay, so you know what they're fundamentally what they're doing, but you don't know how they're doing it. And what you're paying for is how they do it. And if it's true, it's worth the $9. If it's not true, well, I'm pleased to say they give you a absolutely guaranteed money back if it doesn't work. So that's nice. Well, another thing is, if you look below this page, you will see my domain, and if you click on it, you will get all the information you need with regards to buying this, and you will be able to get 5 free bonuses I'm prepared to give you if you purchase this whilst you're in my website, my space here now. 5 very, very good bonuses about very clever intellectual stuff that will make you a lot of money, and worth collectively a lot more than $9. One of them is worth more than $9. You've got 5 coming from me. Just look below, you'll see my domain, click on it, and you'll get all the information. And don't forget, what they're giving you is not a new idea. They're giving you the method that they use to make their money, to make their 127 whatever, or is it, maybe it's $170, I'm not quite sure about how much it is now. But it's worth the $9, so grab it and see what you can make of it. If you're not happy, get your money back. I'll talk to you again.